Alright, today I'd like to introduce our upcoming new product, the Mic Mini 2S.
Now I will open it up for you to see exactly what is inside the show.
Now let's take a look at what's inside this charging case. Inside there are two transmitters. Let's take a look at what one of our transmitters looks like. And our receiver and its appearance. Take a look, everyone. And another one of our magnetic lid. Also there is a the 3.5 millimeter the camera cable on a USB charging course. Alright, now we use this, and when the time comes, if you need a certain color, you can choose the color you want, add it on, and just magnetically attach it like this. That is all. I can see the little face now. Alright, that concludes today's unboxing video. Thank you, everyone.